Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a friend with me and today we will discuss about Korean culture. We both are a big fan of Korean culture, so we will discuss about this and that of Korean culture. And because of pandemic we can't meet personally, so we have arranged this meeting through Zoom. Whatever we have discussed we will share it here. Are you curious about this? So let's start. 안녕하세요, 누꾸띠.
네, 안녕하세요.
How are you?
I'm absolutely fine. How are you?
I am also fine. So let's talk about South Korea. How do we come to this world and this and that about South Korea? Okay.
Of course, why not?
Okay. So please introduce yourself here.
I'm Nupur Gupta, obviously, and I have been taking classes in King Sejong Institute. You also know that. We met there actually. So
Yes, we have been friends. We have become friends there.
yeah, obviously.
Yes.
Due to this lockdown, we can't meet though. But this pandemic and COVID, everything is so much, complicated these days to meet anyone and stuff. So I think online stuff is only the option to communicate and contact friends and everyone.
Exactly. That's why I thought about this. That why not we chat in Zoom?
Yeah, why not? Definitely.
Yeah. So let's start our conversation. That how do you know about Korea? I mean, from when are you start following K drama or K-pop, anything?
See,
Anything
to be
related to
very
Korea?
honest, I actually came to know about Korea as in from a beauty product because I was just roaming into some mall and stuff and I came to know about that. But I actually came to know about Korea was when I was in I was watching K-drama obviously and BTS. So that was the actual point when I actually came to know about Korea and I have to start finding about Korea actually.
Okay, just like me. I mean, I also start watching K. Following K world or start my journey in the K world by watching the K drama,
Right.
Legend of the Blue Sea. I also didn't know how did it came in my notification box. So just like that it started.
Same
I mean,
here,
it
same
came to
here.
my notification and I just started watching that. So and after that I thought that why not let's get to know about this world little bit more.
Same experience. It's just that you watched Legend of the Blue Sea. I watched Boys Over Flower. That was the actual.
Okay, so we have in something in common. I mean, we all have started in the journey in the K world by Limino.
Exactly. True.
Okay, so now I will ask you that there are many things in South Korea that we are interested in. So, what do you think about the Korean culture, or what is the main thing that attract you about this
See,
culture?
getting into K world and Korean, knowing about Korea is obviously that the first thing which you get attracted to is Korean language and their culture. Because in every drama you see, there is always their culture which is portrayed by from either it's a new drama or an old drama. You will see their culture in every bit, their food, their culture, their language, their everything. They hold on to their ancestral customs and everything. They are accepting new generations and new everything, but they're not giving up their old culture and custom. They are holding on.
Old culture.
They are holding to it very nicely actually, and that is the thing which actually attracts because it's so nice where you offer so much of respect to your elders, to your parents. They always keep them at a high level actually, so that's very interesting.
Yeah, even in the language section, we can see that they have two part, formal and
Absolutely,
informal part, right? Yeah, so we are already learning Korean language. Why did you start learning the Korean language? I mean, we can watch the K dramas in English subtitles also. So why did you start learning
this was
this
actually
language?
very, you can say, when you start knowing, I don't know, I think it's every K drama or K-pop fan would do this because once you get into this thing, now you will always want to know what language they are speaking, how they are speaking. You want to know more about it. So this was me as well as
Exactly.
I wanted to know the language. I wanted to read and understand it without subtitles, so that I can just go there. One, if I go to Korea, if I visit Korea, and I can just explore everything without even heading for subtitles. I don't know. It was like I wanted to be one of them. Maybe it can be very stupid, but it's very
Yeah,
obvious.
exactly. If we can't be the one of them, then we can't explore it too deeply as like others. I mean, we can't get the essence of the culture.
Absolutely.
So, don't you think that we all K-lovers say the same answer?
Absolutely.
Whenever I or whoever I ask the question, they also always say the
You're
same
going to
answer.
get the same answers
So,
from every K drama and K lover fans. Trust me.
exactly. So, what are you planning? I mean, what is your plan in future to go there, or what will you do? I mean, after going
See,
there, what will
I
you do?
started on the first. I started learning Korean language to like just to kind of interest, because I wanted to know the language. I wanted to know the meaning of the songs and everything. I don't want to shift for subtitles or translations. But now is that I really want to go there, want to settle there, work there, and because their system is totally different from India, I guess. Actually, very different in fact. Their principles are very much different from actually. So that very much attracted to me, and I really wish that someday I might go there and settle down there, and can just be a part of that particular city or a country. So it's kind of a dream. So let's see.
Yeah, same for me too. Actually, I also want to be a translator or interpreter, whatever the work I can do. I mean, in Korean language, that's why I am learning this very hard. Uh, so, and of course, meet to BTS or any other
Bro,
K-pop
that
idols.
is
That's also
that
in
will
our
always
bucket
be on
list.
the list. How can you say that won't be on list? Working there, living there, obvio, but meeting them is definitely going to be on the list.
Okay, and what are the other things that you like about Korea? Just like that, I liked about their technologies, as they are developed in the technology very first.
See,
So, what do you think about
obviously,
that?
because I think South Korea is one of the countries which has developed very fast, and they are like they are very fast in the technology world. I guess it is said that they have the fastest internet in the world actually. So it's very obvious, and the point
Very
to be
true.
noted is that their entertainment world, it's very different. You cannot compare to Hollywood and Bollywood. You cannot. It's totally different. K world is totally different, and it's very attractive because they are very hardworking.
I am totally agree with it. I'm
Yeah.
totally
So
agree with
it's
it.
see, these are very small things, and their food. How can you forget their food? It's getting world famous these days.
Of course, I won't forget about the
Exactly,
kimchi or bibimbap,
of your
anything.
ramyeon and
I
everything.
even just thinking about this, I am just, what do I say?
Yes, mouth watering.
Uh, exactly. So, are you planning for giving the topic exam or
I'm
like
planning
that?
from the day one I've started learning Korean language, but unfortunately, our country is not holding this Topica exams due to pandemic and lockdowns and stuff like that. But I really want that after our, as you know, we're going to have our exam very soon. So after this exam, I just wish if the Topica levels are open for exams and everything. So I will definitely go for level 1, and at least for level 1 and level 2, and give an exam there. So let's see what will happen after that.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, and just like that, I like their food, beauty products. Beauty products are also very popular in all over the world now. So their fashion, K fashion, is also very much popular, and it's almost trending in all over the world.
Everywhere it's trending.
Just like their traditional outfit, hanbok.
Yeah.
Hanbok is very much popular, and this is I mean almost many famous designers are using the hanbok style in the modern fashion also.
Yeah, true.
So what do you think about hanbok? do you like this? Do you want to try it?
Obviously, I think whenever I visit Korea, the first thing I'm gonna do is definitely try the traditional hanbok dress because it's very beautiful and it's very attractive. It's so, and the colors, they use pastel colors. Can you just imagine? They use such beautiful colors, always with golden embroidery.
Combination of the colors.
Yeah, golden
Exactly.
embroidered, golden patterns, and on top of it, there are like mauve, white, pastel colors. They're so beautiful. So obviously, I'm going to try them.
Okay. And the traveling places, where will we go first?
I would first see. Everyone says Seoul is the heart of the, South Korea.
Korea.
But I definitely want to travel Busan first because I heard the beaches are very beautiful there. So the first thing I'm gonna do.
Okay, you have think of Busan and I have think to go first Jeju,
Jeju?
because
Okay, Jeju.
it's also very popular there.
Okay.
So I really want to go Jeju first. After that, everywhere.
Oh,
And also Namsan Tower is also in the
obvious
list.
Namsan Tower
Right.
has to be Namsan Tower, then Lotte World Tower, then those 2-3 places is like very good actually. But yeah, they are all in Seoul and they are all they're all in Seoul and so. But I definitely want to travel Busan first because you can say that Busan has I have seen few pictures and images of Busan. It kind of attracted me a lot.
Okay, so what do you think about the beauty products? So just like that, I have used the Innisfree green tea serum and the other lotions also. Have you tried any? Also, of course, you have said
Yeah.
that you started the journey from the key beauty product also, obviously.
Exactly.
So what is the product?
So the first thing I actually noticed was
Okay.
Innisfree.
Same for me.
So it was obviously the face wash and the lotions are very good. The hand creams are also very good. And like there was this rice water face wash,
There.
Jeju-do rice
There.
water face wash. It was very
There.
good actually. It was really very good actually. But there are many more products for K-beauty which actually we don't get here, and it can be cost effective also. So, and yes, they have this wet masks. How can you forget the mask?
But still, don't you think that their weather is totally different, almost different, because all over the year there was, that is cold weather. So only sometimes in the summer it's only hot. Otherwise, all the year is always in cold or cool weather. So
Yeah, so I will tell I will suggest one thing is that the beauty mask doesn't suit everyone because it's kind of for dry skin type of people, because I think it didn't suit
yes,
me
exactly.
that
Just
much
just
because
like
I'm
that,
kind of
I also have the oily skin, so I can't use the face mask.
exactly that I actually found that it cannot be used for oily skin people because it get more pigmented and can be it will be like you might have more breakouts and pimples kind of. So I didn't think that a face mask
So we
is
have
for
to
everyone.
we have
If
to
you
ask
have
the
a very
beautician or the what do I say, that we have to consult it up before using this.
yeah, you should consult because the one who sells them, they would know very nicely that which product
Okay,
is going to
okay.
suit you with.
So
It
we
will
have to
suit you well,
first we have to
actually.
consult with them.
Yeah, sure, you can. But otherwise, Innisfree products are quite good. It goes with every kind of skin.
That's I also know because I have used a green tea product and it's really very good. Especially the eye cream suit me very well. It's really good.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Hopefully, this pandemic gets
Yeah,
over soon and
of
this
course.
lockdown gets
I
over,
also
so we
hope
can
so.
meet and hang out
yes,
and have kimbap and bibimbap together.
yes, exactly. I also craving for the foods. Okay, so let's end it here, and I hope we will meet here soon.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so let's bye bye.
Bye bye. 안녕하세요.
네, 안녕히 하세요. So it's a little conversation with my friend. We both are student of Kolkata Barashat KSI, King Sejong University, or you can say Sejong Hakdang. And like this, there are many things. Actually, there are many things we can talk about. When we will meet personally, we will do that, and if it's possible, I will try to make a video on that one too. So wait for my next video. Bye bye.